How to use Fiebing's Deglazer. This is a demonstration for the proper application of Fiebing's Deglazer, which is specially formulated to strip off any existing finish from a smooth leather so it is ready to dye. For our first demo, we used a store-bought leather running shoe. We dipped a cotton swab into the deglazer and used it to rub away the top finish on the area of the leather that we wanted to dye. It was then ready to apply Fiebing's acrylic dye using a paintbrush to create a custom shoe design. For our second demo, we used a pair of brown boots. To change the color of the boots, we first need to strip off the existing finish to open up the leather so it will absorb the new color dye. To do so, we dipped a clean, white soft cloth into the deglazer and rubbed it back and forth over the entire boot. Once complete, you can then apply your choice of Fiebing's dye. Once the dye is fully dried and buffed, you can apply a Fiebing's protective top finish to lock in the new color and protect the boot from stains. That is how you properly use Fiebing's Deglazer.
Buy this product directly from Fiebing.com or other Fiebing dealers.